So the age-old question, dropshipping or affiliate marketing, which one is more profitable? We are going to find out in this video right here. Hey, I'm Aaron, and I've made millions of dollars online. Let me just prove it to you right here. All right, this is an award that came in the mail. Here is another income shot, mainly for digital products. All right, and I'm going to show you exactly which one you should start, because dropshipping and affiliate marketing are two very, very popular business models online. And both of them have their pros and cons, and we're going to talk about that inside of this video today, okay? So I'm just going to jump on my screen right now, and you can just follow along. If you don't understand any of these businesses, you are going to by the end of this video. So let's first talk about dropshipping. Basically, all you're doing is you're selling other people's physical products or your own physical products on a website, and it's usually Shopify. Shopify is the quintessential e-commerce platform. But for the most part, dropshipping, you're not going to be creating your own stuff. You're going to be basically drop shipping them, okay? So that means you find them from a cheaper e-commerce platform and you put them on your Shopify store. And when somebody comes to your Shopify store and buys the product, you basically buy it from the cheaper e-commerce website, put the customer's address, and they send it directly to them, okay? So it's a little bit different. You're not really owning the products. You're kind of, buying it cheaper from somebody else, from another supplier, and you're sending it to your customers. So it's basically a price arbitrage, right? That's kind of how it works. Now, there are a lot of companies that create their own products, like, Gymshark, obviously, like Brooklinen. They manufacture their own products. That is a completely different game, all right? So just understand that. And, as an example, this might be what, your dropshipping store might look like, okay? So, you drive basically traffic, usually paid ads, Facebook ads or Google shopping ads to your website, which, by the way, can be very expensive, okay? And that's kind of one of the disadvantages of dropshipping. Somebody comes to your store, they land directly on, let's just say this one, and then they either buy or they don't buy, and they kind of disappear. That's kind of how dropshipping works. So the whole idea of dropshipping is that you want to maximize the amount of sales. So it's all about volume, okay? Because if you're buying this dress from a cheaper e-commerce platform like AliExpress, and then you're selling it for a little bit more expensive on your website, right? Your margins are not going to be very big because it's a physical item, right? And physical items have a manufacturing cost. There's materials involved, there's labor, and people know how much stuff costs, okay? So you can't charge someone like $500 for this dress because it's not branded. And for the most part, dropshipping stuff is not branded, all right? So there's only a small margin you can make. Usually the margin for dropshipping is about 10 to 15%, okay, at most, right? It's very difficult to get more margins than that. And the cost of the business really is setting up your store, doing all the research, running your tools in the background, and also spending a lot of money on paid ads. That's generally how dropshipping works, okay? So that's the dropshipping model. That's one element. Now, affiliate marketing, the difference is that with affiliate marketing, you are selling also somebody else's product, but most of the time it would be digital. And that's how I made millions. I made millions by selling digital products, okay? So, you would build a sales funnel similar to Shopify, but slightly different. And one of the main ones is ClickFunnels. There are many, many different softwares that you can use to build out your funnel, but I'm just showing you that this is one of the most famous ones that you can use, okay? Now, in terms of the funnel itself, this is kind of, what the funnel would look like. So it's very, very simple compared to dropshipping, right? Dropshipping, you have to build an entire store that is quite comprehensive, that looks like this. It takes a lot of time to do this, right? This is not going to be fast versus doing something like this, which is much, much simpler. And you would build several of these pages and send people through a very specific channel and process. And what you're doing on these pages is you're building trust, right? And you're basically going to be selling a digital product that you can find on big digital networks like, for example, digistore24.com. This is one of many, many affiliate marketing networks that you can come to. You can sign up for free. You can pick products in all different topics, niches, industries, and you can sell them for the most part for free, okay? And that is the big difference between dropshipping and affiliate marketing, right? So with affiliate marketing, you're getting a cut of somebody else's product. You're just being a middle person. And the big difference with affiliate marketing is that you can sell products that are way more expensive and the profit margins are way higher than dropshipping, okay? So with affiliate marketing, your average product, if you structure your business correctly, would be, $300 to $1,000 to $2,000 to $5,000. And the commission rates can be anywhere from 50 to 80% versus dropshipping, where the average price point would be between $20 and $70, and the profit that you make when everything is said and done is about 10 to 15%, much lower. Okay, it doesn't mean that you can't make millions of dollars with dropshipping. You can. It's just a lot more difficult. All right, with affiliate marketing, it's a lot easier because it's not a volume game. You sell higher priced products, higher commission rates, whereas dropshipping, you sell lower priced products, much lower commission rates. So you have to make way more sales, thousands and thousands of sales a month if you want to make $10,000 to $20,000 a month. With affiliate marketing, you only need to make 10, 20, 30, 40 sales a month to make 10, 20, $30,000 a month. Okay. So I think that affiliate marketing honestly is a much easier game. Okay. And let me just go to Gemini, and I just wanted to prove my point, because I've done it before, but I just wanted to see what AI actually thought of it, because obviously AI can, collate all the information in the world and give you their point of view. So I basically said affiliate marketing versus dropshipping, which is better and which is more profitable and easier. Affiliate marketing is easier to start because you don't have to handle customer service, inventory, or refunds, right? Because you're selling somebody else's product. Dropshipping is potentially more profitable because you control the retail pricing and build a tangible brand, okay? That's debatable, right? Better depends on your goals. Choose affiliate marketing for passive income, dropshipping to build a scalable, sellable business, okay? So the difference is that, yes, with dropshipping, you do get more ownership because you're buying cheap supplier products, right? But it takes a long time to build that brand, and you're still drop shipping from other cheaper companies, from a supplier basically, right? But yes, you can brand it and that sort of thing. But generally the price points are much lower, okay? But if you look at this, if you look at the verses, right? Startup costs very low, drop shipping also low and moderate. Profit margins here, if you're selling physical stuff for affiliate marketing, it's low, but we don't sell physical stuff. We sell digital stuff, 50 to 90%, okay? So with dropshipping, moderate, it says 10 to 25%. I've run a dropshipping business before. Profit margins are super low. They're more like 10 to 15%. Very difficult to get into profit, okay? That's why I shut down my dropshipping business. I forgot to mention that earlier. Oh, by the way, before I continue, all right? I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to make you money. So subscribe if that's what you're after, and that's what we teach on this channel, okay? With affiliate marketing, customer support, none, because you're selling somebody else's stuff, right? With dropshipping, you do everything because they are coming to your website and you're essentially basically selling your own products because you're branding them as your own products. So there's a shit ton of work, okay? Complaints, returns, shipping handling questions, wrong sizes, breakages. It's a lot of stuff, okay? So it depends on what kind of business you want to build. I still think that affiliate marketing is more profitable. It's simpler. It's more scalable. Dropshipping, I shut down my dropshipping business after spending like $5,000 to $10,000 on it. I just thought that it wasn't what I thought it was. It's a lot more difficult to build because you have to test different items. You have to spend a lot of money on paid advertising. The profit margins are razor thin, and it's a volume game, and the customer service and support, to handle that, you need to hire staff, okay? So my conclusion to all of this, which one's better? Affiliate marketing or dropshipping? I honestly think affiliate marketing is still one of the best businesses out there. It doesn't mean that you can't make money from dropshipping. You can, but I just think it's like pushing a boulder up a mountain. I hope you enjoyed it today. And if you're like, well, Aaron, I would love to learn how to start my own affiliate marketing business. I just don't know how. I've got a step-by-step masterclass that shows you how to get started today if you would like, and it's in the comment section below. See you there.